Hi everybody, Scott from Nationalcycle. Today we're back in the studio where we're doing an installation on our new 2024 Suzuki GSX-S1000GT Plus. It's a great looking bike, really aggressive looking. We're going to put a new VStream windshield on the front, really give you a good look and give you great wind management going down the road. It's going to be the same installation procedure for all 2022, 2024 GSX-S1000GT and GT Plus models. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started here and remove the stock windshield. Simple installation. You take out the 4 mounting bolts. All you need is a 3mm Allen wrench. There is a large washer in here. Comes on the bike. You want to make sure you hold on to that. You will reuse this hardware. We're going to go ahead and we're going to install our new Sport Dark Tints VStream on here. Very simple installation. You use the same hardware. Just line it up on the 4 mounting points. Make sure you have the original washer in place as well. You make sure everything's tight, nice and snug. You want to over tighten this. So get it to it stops spinning and then you're good to go. There you go. Another simple installation. It's going to give you a big effect going down the road. Got 3 total sizes so you can customize it for your riding height and your style. For more information on this windshield, everything made by Nationalcycle, visit our website, nationalcycle.com. Also visit us on social media, on our Facebook page, Instagram, and our YouTube page. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your ride.